Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple and easy chicken recipe. So to prepare this simple chicken recipe, I have taken 300 grams of chicken with bones, as you can see, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per our taste, oil for cooking. This is half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. This is half a cup of fresh cream. If you don't have this fresh cream, then you can also use the cream that comes on top of the milk. Here I have taken 3 onions, and I have cut them in, just roughly cut them, as I'm going to make a paste out of this. So 3 medium sized onions, 3 green chilies. This also I will include in this onion paste. Here I have taken 4 cardamoms, and I have just slitted them like this. This is 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, fresh coriander leaves little bit, and here little bit of ginger juliennes. So now let's get started. So the first step that we are going to do is we will make a paste of these onion and the green chilies. After adding the onion and the green chilies, we will add the chili flakes also in this. We'll add salt as per our taste. And now I'm going to blend this and make a paste out of it. Before blending this, friends, I will add little bit of water, just little bit, quarter cup of water, and then I'm going to blend this. So friends, here I have blended and made it into a paste, and now I will add this ginger garlic paste also into it. You can grind it together with this with the onion, but if you grind it together, then just add little bit of vinegar into it. It gives a lovely flavor to this recipe. And now, after mixing this, we will take the chicken and we will add this paste little bit, less than half, 2 tablespoon or paste like that. And then we will mix it nicely into this chicken. After mixing it in the chicken, friends, we will leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes without disturbing it, and then we are going to fry this. So just leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes. Now friends, after 10 to 15 minutes, I am going to fry this. So here I have heated oil, and I am going to pick up these chicken pieces and drop them into the hot oil. We'll fry this over medium flame. Now fry this over medium flame so that it gets a nice color and texture. Now friends, after frying the chicken, you can see it will have this same kind of a texture, little bit fried. So I will take it out in a plate, all the chicken pieces, and then I am going to strain this oil. So friends, here I have taken out the fried chicken. This is the perfect texture of the chicken. And then here I have strained the oil, and I have only taken 2 tablespoons of oil now to prepare this recipe. So when the oil is heated, we are going to add the onion paste. So just reduce the flame and then add the onion paste. This contains onion, green chili, the chili flakes, ginger garlic paste, everything is inside this onion paste. Now you put your gas into medium flame, and then we are going to cook this masala for near about 2 minutes over medium flame. After frying it for 2 minutes, friends, we will add the cardamoms, and we will again cook this for a minute. Now friends, we are going to add the chicken pieces. And we are going to saute and cook in this for near about 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing it with the onion gravy, I will add a little bit of water. I'll mix it. And then over a high flame, I'm going to cover this and let it get cooked. Let it boil for near about 3 minutes. Now friends, we'll remove the lid, and as you can see, the gravy has become thick. So now I am going to reduce the flame and add the fresh cream. Mix this over the low flame. And now put the flame into medium high. Add the coriander and the cumin powder. Mix it again. And now we will put the ginger juliennes, little bit of chopped fresh coriander leaves, and then cover this and bring it to boil. So friends, now we will remove the lid If you feel you can taste the salt now. If you feel it is less, you can add it. If you want more gravy, you can add little bit more lukewarm water to this recipe, but for me this is the perfect consistency. So this very yummy chicken recipe is ready. I'll put off the flame and I will cover this and leave it aside for a minute, and then I will transfer this to the serving bowl. So here is our yummy chicken recipe ready. If you're tired of eating the regular chicken curry, you can try this very simple and very easy chicken curry recipe. You can also prepare this if you have guests coming at home. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Friends, if you want it to be more spicy, you can also add little bit of fresh green chilies slit, and then you can decorate, garnish it nicely. Just like how I have garnished it with ginger juliennes and fresh coriander leaves, you can also add green chilies. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.